Hi there, and welcome to the Workout Coach. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to manage the exercises and categories sections. The Workout Coach comes with a pretty comprehensive set of exercises. In fact, we have over 2,000 unique ones spread across 19 different categories. However, we know that some PTs will have their favourites and might want to create a category just to store those in. Or indeed, you may have a few exercises you develop yourself, ones we've never even heard of. In both those cases, the Workout Coach lets you create whatever you need to build your programs. Let's take a look at the categories section. So, after clicking on the categories icon here in the left navigation, you'll land on this page, and you'll see in the left column we've got a list of all standard exercise categories, and you can edit the names of any of those should you wish to do so. Don't worry, editing a name will not change which exercises are already in that category. The other thing you can do is create a new category. So as an example, I'll create a new category for my yoga positions, and I'll call that category yoga. And there we go. If we scroll to the bottom, you'll see my new yoga category there. Now, it's important to know that this category is only for you and your clients. They're not shared globally across the application with any other PTs, so you can call them whatever you like. And once you've created your new category, you can start creating or adding new exercises for it. So all we do for that is click the exercises icon in the left nav there, and you'll arrive at the page with a list of all the current categories, and you'll see our new yoga one included there, and all current exercises. So what I'm going to do now is add a new exercise to my yoga category. I'm going to add in the downward dog. First I'll search just to see if it's in the system already. Downward dog. Oh, okay, it is already in there. Well, let's clear that one then, and let's try the warrior position. Great, so that's not in the system yet. So all you need to do is enter it into this field here at the top, warrior, and then select at least one category for it to live in. I'm choosing our newly created yoga category, and then click next at the bottom of the page. So that's now added that new exercise into its category, and as you can see, if we head over into the program section, we can easily add that into any existing program or create a new one. So I'll just select yoga, and there we go, straight in there. I could of course leave this category showing all exercises and instead just search for the individual exercise itself and add that in if I wanted to. And that's really all there is to it. Of course, you can create as many exercises and categories as you like. I hope this has been useful to show you how to use these features. As ever, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at support@theworkout.coach.